Good afternoon. This is Keith Brown with Commodity Consulting with some commodity commentary. We've been absent for a while, and we apologize for that, but we're back on now. And we're going to bring you some great commentary, we hope, and we appreciate you listening in. Cotton today was a little higher. Cotton, of course, a week ago got the supply-demand numbers no one was expecting, and we did shoot up very strong. But with this week, we've been quite tenuous. We've been a little iffy, a little wobbly about going higher. I think one thing that's kept the market in check has been all the turmoil over in China as far as the stock markets and the perception of our economy there. And even our own stock market today is down almost 300. It has been down 300. So that stands to be a little bearish. However, the thing that's sort of keeping cotton supported, I would say, is this theme of wanting high-grade cotton. And, of course, the USDA did cut our carry-out from 4.2, I believe, to 3.1. And so if we were to get into some kind of weather situation, I'm thinking of Hurricane Danny out in the Caribbean, or Tropical Storm Danny, rather. If we were to get several episodes like that as we gather cotton this fall harvest, that would certainly mess up the grades as well and maybe put a slight bid up under the market. But again, none of that's happened. That remains to be seen. And if that doesn't happen, I think cotton can certainly come back off. I do believe that the Texas crop, as it stands, has been underestimated by USDA. Should be larger is what I'm saying. So we'll see. Over in the grains today, of course, they got the heck kicked out of them last week with those huge gains in crop and yield per acre, and we're just sort of getting the proverbial dead cat bounce from that. Although corn too is wanting to hold up here a little bit. There's a little dispute between a couple of government agencies, I think USDA and maybe FSA or somebody like that, where there was a recount of acres, and certain segments, Missouri, Illinois, some of those came up mighty short on acres. So the market's trying to solve that out. And then there's some talk of maybe China one day might import cotton, corn rather, and the next day not. So we'll have to see how that does pan out. Wheat today remains just a dog of dogs. The Russians may start selling wheat because of the implosion of crude oil prices. Russia is a commodities-driven economy. And so you have to sell what you can sell to raise what money you can raise to pay the bills. So we may see more selling out of the Russians as far as wheat's concerned. And then specifically for the beans, of course, the weather, as we see it in the Midwest, looks pretty ideal to us. They've got some cool days and some rain, and we may have a record yield of beans before it's all, before it's all said and done. So let's see what tomorrow brings, Friday of this week. If you have any questions or comments, of course, give us a call at 1-800-910-1910. Thanks for listening.